Have you ever poured your heart into handmade work and still felt like no one was paying what it was worth? That frustration is real, and this book changes it. In just a few simple steps, you will learn exactly which macrame patterns are selling for $200 or more on Etsy right now, and how to make them yourself. First, understand what buyers on Etsy are actually searching for and willing to pay premium prices for. Next, discover the specific patterns and styles that command the highest prices in the market today. Then, learn how to create and list them in a way income that actually reflects your talent. Picture this. You finish a wall hanging on an income that actually reflects your talent. Picture this. You finish a wall hanging on a Sunday evening and list it that night. By Tuesday morning, it's sold. You made $220 from something you enjoyed creating. And there are 3 people who favorited your shop waiting for the next one. Remember, the right pattern in the right market is worth 10 times the wrong one. Knowing what sells is a game changer. It creates real income from real passion. Don't wait. Grab your copy of The Macramé Patterns Earning 200 Plus per piece on Etsy and start selling what you love today.